In a mixing bowl, add in a cup of cubed paneer pieces. I have used 200 grams of paneer or cottage cheese. Then add in 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all of these ingredients well. Let the paneer cubes be coated nicely. If you're not comfortable with spoons, use your hand to mix this. It's time to fry these cubes. So for that, take a pan, pour in 1/4 cup of oil, that is around 3 to 5 tablespoons of oil. You can also deep fry these cubes. Once oil starts heating, add in the coated paneer pieces. Keep the flame on medium. Now spread them across the pan and make sure they do not touch each other. Fry them in batches if required. Now after a while, flip and pan fry. The cottage cheese needs to be fried evenly on all sides. Fry them until they turn golden brown in color and make sure not to fry it for a long period. We need it to be perfect, moist and crisp. So it looks like the paneer is fried and it's time to turn off the flame and transfer them to a plate covered with tissues or the kitchen paper towel so it sucks the excess oil. To the same oil, add in a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and garlic. Saute this for a while on medium flame. Then add in the diced onions and capsicum. I have used 1 medium onion and 1 small capsicum for this. Saute this and let this cook. While this is being cooked, we will make the corn flour slurry. So for this, I'm using the leftover cornstarch and spice mix that I used to coat the paneer cubes. Now into it, I've added 1/4 cup of water and we have to mix this till the corn flour dissolves in the water. Keep this aside and don't forget to saute your onions and capsicum. Now once you see that the capsicum is half cooked, lower the flame and add in 3/4 tablespoon of soya sauce, a tablespoon each of red chili sauce and green chili sauce and 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and a teaspoon of vinegar. Now mix all of this well while the flame is on low. Next, it's time to pour in the corn flour slurry that we prepared. Just in case you do not have any of the leftover mix, you can prepare the slurry by dissolving a tablespoon of cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of water. Stir this well. Now turn up the flame to medium and we will let the sauce thicken. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it looks like the sauce has thickened, so we will stir it once and then add in the fried paneer cubes. Now stir this again and make sure the cubes are coated evenly with the sauce. Let this cook for around 5 minutes on medium flame. We're almost done. Remove the lid and into this add in 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir this well. Before you add in the spices, check the taste and adjust the quantity as per that. So now you can turn off the flame and garnish the Paneer Manchurian with either chopped spring onion greens or coriander leaves. Stir this one final time and your Paneer Manchurian is ready. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and also click on the bell button so you don't miss out on such yummy recipes. Okay, this looks so good and trust me, it tastes better. It's moist and the flavor is just perfect. Do try it out and let me know if you liked it. Enjoy your Paneer Manchurian and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.